therefore narcotic plants are valued for their medicinal properties. Discover the various types of narcotic plants, their historical uses, and how they are harnessed for their medicinal properties today. Opium. One of the most well-known narcotic plants is opium, which has been used for centuries to treat pain and other ailments. Opium contains a number of active compounds, including morphine and codeine, which have been isolated and used to create powerful painkillers. Cannabis. Another example is cannabis, which has been shown to have a multitude of medicinal properties, including reducing inflammation, alleviating pain, and treating anxiety and depression. The psychoactive compounds in cannabis, such as THC and CBD, have been extensively studied, and researchers are now exploring their potential applications in treating a range of diseases, from multiple sclerosis to PTSD. The Madagascar periwinkle is another plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in the treatment of cancer. The plant contains a number of alkaloids, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, and have been used to develop a number of chemotherapy drugs. Willow bark. Furthermore, the willow bark, which contains salicylic acid, has been used for centuries to treat pain and reduce inflammation, and is the basis for modern aspirin. These plants, and many others like them, hold the key to unlocking new treatments and therapies that could greatly benefit human health. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your thoughts on narcotic plants in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about medicinal plants and their applications, be sure to check out my other videos. Please like, share and subscribe.